Lemon water is popular for its health benefits, but many people worry about tooth enamel damage. The concern is completely valid because lemon juice is highly acidic. Lemon water has a pH between 2 and 3, which makes it very acidic. This acidity can soften and erode tooth enamel over time. Tooth enamel is the hard outer layer that protects your teeth from damage. Once enamel wears away, it does not grow back naturally. This leads to increased sensitivity and higher risk of cavities. To protect your teeth, drink lemon water through a straw. The straw helps the liquid bypass direct contact with your tooth enamel. Rinse your mouth with plain water immediately after drinking lemon water. This simple step neutralizes the acid and washes it away quickly. Never brush your teeth right after drinking lemon water. The acid temporarily softens your enamel, and brushing can damage it further. Wait at least 30 minutes before brushing to let saliva remineralize your teeth. You can safely enjoy lemon water by following these protective habits without harming your dental health.